All righty, folks, we're back with Mr. Stephen Dow. Buddy, thank you for flying out from Texas, being a part of the third annual event. You are 3 for 3. I appreciate your support all of these years. I'm curious, you had to be a rock star, 300 people in attendance. Everybody knows Uncle Steve, right? What was going on?
No, it again, thank you for third year invite and the special gifts and such. But no, it keeps getting better every year. I think as far as the network, it seems to kind of grow, and even kind of expand as far as like leveling up with a lot of different, people that I'm talking to. They came to the first and second event and then network with somebody else that had a different investing strategy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And even God, what was that vendor that was there that was doing landlord insurance steadily, I think?
Steadily, yeah. Steadily,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. I even got to talking with one of, the rep there.
Alex.
Yes,
Alex.
and she invests as well, and with a different kind of, strategy, which is really interesting as well. It's kind of short-term, mid-term rentals to, I don't want to kind of give away the,
Yeah,
her
that's
sauce
good. No,
thing, but
it's
yeah, it was really
it's
interesting there. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. And then,
yeah. It's funny. We do a lender panel, right? Showing love to folks that are on the channel all the time. And we always
yeah.
got to start with the marketing spiel when we missed it this time. So we even, just so you know, marketing folks, he even did the spiel at the event because
On stage, yes,
yeah, they all
yes.
required it.
Although, again, I work very happily for Velocity Mortgage Capital. All the ideas and topics discussed on this channel, that of my own. So let's keep it going.
Yeah.
No, a lot of fun, and the whole kind of dynamic about people when they
I am
see you.
curious about something. I'm curious
Yeah.
about something real quick. How far away is your special gift? Is it in the room or is it like far away from you? The thing that I
Oh, it's
gave
far
you.
away from me. I'm trying to get like a. That's why you don't see that whole like thing I have back there. I'm trying to clean this all out. I want to get like what you have,
Yeah,
shelving, so I
shelves.
could kind of
Yeah.
list put all those
Display.
things up. So that'll be
Yeah.
one of them. But yeah, so
Yeah.
if
Well, maybe
for
next week. Next week you can have it in the room because
and we can
Stephen
talk
Dow
about it.
had some of the most amazing custom shoes built. And yes, folks, there was even a bag of money on the back of the shoes. So we'll tease that next week. My Carlo,
Yeah,
not Carlos, Carlos's son
Luke.
Luke. Thank you. Went out of his way to really dial in Uncle Steve's shoes. So were you surprised?
Well, I mean, I kind of wanted to see his vision. We had talked about concepts and different, kind of ideas and such. The execution I thought was going to be, kind of difficult given that I was pulling from different shoe types. So I knew it was going to be, not a tall order, but interested to see what the result was. But it was funny. The result, conceptually was a good idea with the whole magnet thing. I didn't
Yeah.
think of that. Initially, mine was like going to be like an act, I don't want to give it away too much, but yeah,
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
was good.
We'll show it next week. We'll show it
Yeah,
next week.
yeah.
But the thing that would be really interesting, because again, I think, being part of the channel, being at the event 3 years in a row,
Hmm.
300 people there, I'm going to guess 250 people. It's really weird, right? When you're at events like that and you're one of the weekly guests, people know you, but you don't really know them. It's kind of a one-way thing. So they come up and say hi, take a picture.
Like they
And
know you forever.
yeah,
Like
it
it's
takes you
that
a
whole
minute to
like
go, oh, you're so and
yes,
so. Yeah. So
yes.
talk
I
about
mean,
that.
well, in some cases, yeah. I've spoken to a lot of ORAT family members or whatnot from the channel and just from the group. So putting a face to the voice, or even sometimes I've spoken to them years ago. They're now coming to this event or whatnot. So it's that kind of really unique dynamic where they get that sense like they kind of are very familiar with you, but you're not with them just yet.
Yeah.
So you really want to be, kind of empathetic to that, like, hey, but it's that energy that you get. It's so positive, and that's why it's so much fun. And like I said on stage, I feel so blessed because again, you don't
Yeah.
realize it until you interact with these people, and they have nothing but positive energy to throw your way. How do you not feel so good at
Yeah.
these events? You know what I mean? And then you put on such a great event, and you could tell, sitting and I'm watching how people kind of react. Some people can listen into some of the speakers that I think that they gravitate to or that they can find certain value from, with their life experience, their stories or whatnot. But I think the various backgrounds kind of give people, an idea that there's so many different options. There's so many different,
Yeah.
potential, opportunities. It just depends on what fits best for you
Yeah.
and stuff like that. But no, it was fun.
Yeah, well, again, Velocity Mortgage has been part of the channel, helping hundreds of people over the years. I'm curious, did anybody come talk to you about the 50, 40, 10, the Fast 50, or all the amazing products that you support there at Velocity?
Yeah, I mean, we talk about that Fast 50 quite often, and I think that particular concept interests people just because of, the nature of it being unique or I wouldn't say mysterious, but we talk about how the usefulness of it is, and so people really want to inquire. So yes, I've had multiple people, even some of your actual weekly guests
Mm-hmm.
were interested about it. So yeah, several people. Although we talk about it, it's still sometimes hard to grasp the
Yeah.
actual execution of it all. But once I can kind of have a more deeper conversation and break down the details, I think it's easier to understand. But no, we talked about that. The ease of use, again, no ratio typically, no tax return, no peso, no W-2, no DSCR on the lender panel. They had questions for conventional
Yeah.
DSCR, bank statement. I said, well, whatever they can't do, I can
Come
probably
to
do.
Uncle
So,
Steve. I love
yep,
that.
call Uncle Steve. So,
And I know you do this on purpose, but I'll just call it out because I see it. You always stand at the last. You're always the last person. You're like, yeah, let them do what they do. Everything else, come to me. I'm like, that guy's a genius. You do that on purpose. I know you do that on purpose.
No, well, I said as an excuse as we're standing, lining up. I said, let's do it by height. So Matt's the tallest. So you go Matt, Dustin, and then Jonathan, and then me. But I mean, yeah, it works out in that way too, because then I want to give everybody a chance on the panel to kind of have their moment in a sense, and so everybody has their space. And so typically, depending upon how the conversations and the questions are, asked, primarily the higher frequency of type of deals are going to be, DSCR, full doc, or whatnot.
Sure.
So I figured they're going to be
Let them go
and then
first.
They usually trickle down towards
right.
me when it's kind of like, well, here's a kind of an alternative.
Here's a unique situation. In this
Correct.
situation,
What had happened was
Uncle Steve.
Yeah,
Uncle
exactly.
Steve. Uncle
Exactly.
Steve.
So
and then I heard even one of our ORAT belt winners, Tamika.
Yes.
She came up to you and she talked about the 50, 40, 10, wanted to understand the flexibility and tweak that a little bit. That had to be a fun conversation. She's an amazing
it was really
part
fun.
of the channel.
Yeah. No. Got to hear a little bit about her backstory, about her being in the military, her husband, you know what I mean, and now they're investing and stuff. But she wanted to hear more about it because she had heard some potential, opportunities, locally, and kind of wanted to see how that would apply to those potential, projects. So we just kind of discussed specifics, and so that she understood how to execute, that particular kind of concept for those projects. So we had a really good conversation, but she was really excited. She was like, "Ooh, wow, she said, for sure, we'll probably be in touch. She's got to find the right fit."
Yeah.
And then that's basically it. But
well, that's
really
the beauty of 50, 40, 10, because it's you do have to find the right seller, right? You got to have the right seller. And then there has to be a little bit of hair or a little bit of pain in the transaction to make them, because again, right, you're asking a seller to take up to 40% as a second. I mean, that's where this thing works, is where the seller takes a big second. Right. And once you find that, it's a freaking powerful tool, right? You're coming into a highly levered deal with 10% down. You've got a low blended interest rate when you take the first and the second. Cash flow, save taxes. I mean, it's just win for everyone. So I think the 50, 40, 10 is the number one Swiss Army knife for real estate investors. And if you don't know what it is, search it on the channel.
Yeah, or email me. I mean, as we're talking today, we got a promotion right now. I can get down to as low as 7 1/8, 30-year fixed.
Damn.
Yeah, no ratio, no nothing, no tax return.
Yeah, that's not. And again, if you guys hear 7 1/8, you're like, that's nothing. You're thinking conventional. Right. Again, remember, Uncle Steve is that other bucket. That other bucket typically is above 9 or 10.
Right.
Right. So some of you are hearing 7 1/8, and you're like, that's crazy. Well, not if you don't have any other option.
Right.
Right. If your other option is hard money.
Well, again, I mean, if you want to talk on that same, kind of a 50% LTV or less, you can have a 0 score, and my rate would be actually sub 9.5% 30-year fixed.
There you go.
Yeah.
Crazy.
But
no, it's not normal. Velocity Mortgage does what the reason Velocity Mortgage is here. Again, Uncle Steve, obviously, he's my number one guy, somebody who's done loans for me. But you guys just know what you do. You don't try to be all things to all people, because that's where you go off the rails. Right. You're like, no, we're make sense lenders, and this is what we do, and that's why it's such a nice fit.
Agreed. I mean, we don't kind of compete in that realm, I guess, in a sense, because a lot of times, a lot of the lenders that are doing DSCR or full doc, essentially dipping from the same well. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Getting the money from the same places. So it's almost like a race to the bottom. You know what I mean? Who could do it for less?
Exactly.
So to speak,
it's a race to the bottom. Exactly.
Right.
But not
Whereas
you don't
my
play
product.
Yeah.
No, not really. You know what I mean? Here's our product. But granted, we're not trying to, grease you up and charge you as if it's hard money. So, we kind of serve that underserved market for,
Yeah.
mainly, small business owners, self-employed borrowers,
Yep.
people that play a more aggressive, tax game. That's where
Exactly.
they find a lot of value in our product. But no, the event was a lot of fun, Mike. I mean,
So
how can you
you're
not?
coming back to year 4? Is that right? You're coming back to year 4?
Yeah, I mean, why wouldn't I?
I'm just making sure.
Yeah. No, I mean, it's again, seeing old friends,
Yeah.
obviously, people from the channel, and then just, repeat, and then just new people too, that have watched the channel and then have grown as
Yeah.
well. So no, it's a lot of fun. It's just all positive. I don't know how,
Yeah.
yeah, anything could be
It's
negative.
definitely a
So
family. It's
yeah.
I fought that title for a long time because I frankly don't like my family. But I like this one. I like this one. So I'll adopt this family.
Yeah, no, agreed. And I mean, the only downside I would say was, coming to the realization that if I had to shop for clothes in and around, the Las Vegas area, I'd have less choices because you were buying up all my size shirts. But otherwise,
Yeah, I did lose a lot of weight. That's for
you
sure.
did, dude. I was like, damn, Mike's look at him yoked. So I was just teasing you about this. Yeah, it wasn't. Yeah, you were just getting bigger. The shirt sizes are staying the same size. It's just optical
I
illusion.
put it in the dryer for a little bit longer. It
Is that what
shrunk.
it was? Okay.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Well, if you want to get something started with Stephen Dow, just have a fun conversation with somebody that can really help you. The email is there on the screen, sdow@velocitymortgage.com. Dude, I appreciate you all the time, all the conversations, helping me with several loans over the years. And just keep doing it, man. You're the real one.
Hey, takes one to know one, Mike. Appreciate the opportunity, and always, again, thanks for letting me be part of this channel. It's been a lot of fun and very gratifying. So if I get a
Awesome.
chance to talk to you again, have a good weekend, brother.
You got it. Later.